Hi, fans. I'm the PC Expert Amateur, and we're going to take a look at the GDSTime IP67 120 millimeter 24 volt fan that is supposed to go 2,500 RPMs, and there are two of them. So they do come with grills, as well as fan bolts and nuts for, going all the way through them to attach the grills, as well as being attached to, say, the case. So we'll just use one of them. I did test both of them, but I'm not telling you the secrets. All right. Let me get this set up and we'll listen to it. Oh, before that, though, I want you to see it. It's a fairly standard looking fan.
All right, I've got it on the lowest speed. And I don't know about you, but I can barely hear anything coming out of this. Oh, there's a little bit of rubbing noise, though. I think I heard a harmonic resonance. Yep, there it is. Again. Again. Another one. Again. 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 And that's the maximum speed, and there is a harmonic resonance present, unfortunately.
Well, it's always sad when you have a fan that produces a harmonic resonance, which will annoy people. When it's on maximum speed, when it's on any speed, you really want to produce fans that avoid that, because some people, it just really irritates them. It doesn't matter to me. Now, the static pressure is very, very low. I'm going to say it's about 0.5 millimeters of water. Let's go ahead and say that for this purpose, for this fan, the usage of this fan would be as a case fan. You couldn't really use it for anything else. Another thing about it is I didn't see any indications of waterproofing. I could see the windings inside of the hub, and yeah, so it seems to me like either the level of waterproofing for IP67 does not require that the windings be behind a barrier, or they didn't do it. I don't know, but you'll see that there's definitely something odd about this fan with the specifications. So let's take a look at that. The Shenzhen GDSTime Technology Company Limited 24 volt DC IP67 2-pin has a price tag of $12, which is, would be reasonable if it actually met the expectations, right? And that's $12 per fan, $24 for the package. And it's compliant with CE, ROHS, FCC, and UKCA. Made in China, 120 by 25 millimeters, 50,000 hours of life, 140 grams, 7 blades, 105 millimeters between the mounting holes, 2,500 RPMs, although I did not achieve that with either of the fans. That is the average between the two fans. 93 CFMs of airflow. I actually got a little bit different from that. So the 93 versus what I got, which was 141.3 CMHs or CMH, which is only about 83.23 CFMs. So yeah, this is probably because of the missing 1,000 RPMs. And then the static pressure is 0.16. I'll go with that. I mean, it was pretty darned weak, so I'll say that that's accurate. The noise level should have been 38. Now, with a loss of 1,000 RPMs, and that's the high end of the range, minimum was 7.1 decibels, maximum was 22.5 decibels with an ambient of 8.5 decibels. There were the cable was 40 1/4 centimeters, no daisy chaining or sleeving, 2-pin connector, dual ball bearings, 24 volts, 2.4 watts, 0.1 amps. It did have indicators, or does have indicators, of direction and flow, and turns in a clockwise direction. Comes with 4 grills because there are 2 fans, and 8 bolts with nuts, again because there are 2 fans. It just occurred to me that maybe the reason it didn't achieve maximum RPMs is because my fan controller is unable to provide 24 volts.